Hi everyone, my name is Yusuf Noslu. Register number is UR16CS172. Today in data structure lab we are doing exercise number 3, which shows the applications of the stack. So the first application of the stack is to find the postfix expression evaluation. So the question goes like this: write a C++ program to find the evaluation of a postfix expression. So if the user gives any postfix expression, we have to evaluate it. So for this, the code goes like this. Before explaining the code, the how it will work in the code is, if we take a input like 1 2 4 1 2 4 plus into 2 minus, then first a stack is created and array is created. All the numbers and variables are entered into the stack. So in stack, 1 will be scanned and entered, 2 will be scanned and entered, 4 will be scanned and entered. Later the operator is entering into the stack. So the last two elements of the stack will be popped out and they will be added with the entered operator. So 2 plus 4 equals to 6. So the now stack contains 1 and 6. Again another operator entered into the stack, that is into. So the stack will pop out the two elements and it will multiply the two elements, 1 into 6, then you will get the output of 6. Now the stack contains 6 and another number is entered into the stack. Finally the stack and another operator is entered into the stack. So the two numbers will be popped out and will be done operators function. So 6 minus 4, and in stack 4 is the remaining. So finally, after scanning all the elements of the array, the final element of the stack will be popped out and the output is given. So the final output is 4. So coming to the code goes like this. We create a char array of 23 elements and a stack of 25 elements, and we create temporary variables in order to multiply, add, divide using these variables, and we give the top value of -1, and in order to continue scanning, the value of I is given. So first a postfix expression is taken, then the postfix expression is scanned continuously until it becomes 0. So if is a variable or a number, then it will be entered into the stack, and -48 is given by because it is an ASCII code, and it will be else if it is an operator, then the last two elements of the stack will be popped out, and if it is plus, the addition operation will be taken. If it is minus, the subtraction operation will be taken. If it is into, multiplication operation is given. If it is divided by, then division operation is taken out, and it will be continued till the end, and the last element of the stack will be taken as the answer of our experiment. So if you run this and type an expression 1 2 4 in plus into 2 minus, so which is the one we did here in the example, then we'll get the output of 4. So this is how postfix evaluation is done using C++ and stack. Thank you. The next program in the applications of stack is write a C++ program to convert an infix expression to postfix expression. So the code goes like this. Before explaining the code, what is infix expression to postfix expression is, if you give an expression like bracket of a plus b into c, this is a infix expression, and if we convert into postfix expression, it will be like ab plus c into, and this is a postfix postfix expression. So in order to convert an infix expression to postfix expression, first get we have to use stack in order to do this. So we have create a stack of maximum 10 elements and top is equals to -1, and we define the functions of the stack, which is pop and push, by giving its condition that if top is goes to -1 means if the stack is empty, pop will not work. If the stack is full, push will not work. And later that we will give priorities for the operators that are brackets, parentheses will be given higher priority, and after the parentheses positive and negative are given the second most highest priority, and later that multiplication and division is given the priority after the plus and minus. So first we give an array of elements, so that is elements, and we give the pointer of e. Why you give pointer of e? The question goes, if there is something like that, why I give pointer of e is in order to scan each and every element of the array. So if I want to give the elements continuously without pressing enter all the time, so I need to give value at e. So we will scan each and element until the end, and that's why this is given. This is at the end. It is by default it will be printed at the end of an array if the values are scanned. So if yes, it is a number or a variable, then it will be popped out, means it will be displayed. Else if it is a parenthesis starts, then push all the elements inside the parenthesis into the stack, only the operators, not the numbers. Only the operators will be pushed into the stack. Then if the parenthesis closes, then pop out all the elements that are in between the parentheses. So this is what we expected. Then we call the function priority, which we defined here. Priority means different priorities of the operators. Then based on that operator's priority, the elements in the stack will be pushed and popped, and finally the e value will be incremented until the end. So finally what is remaining in the stack will be popped out automatically at the end of the program, and we will get the required output. So if we run this program and write an expression like a plus b into c, and this is an infix expression. If we convert it into postfix expression, it will be like ab plus c into. So this is how we can do infix expression to postfix expression using C++. Thank you.